10th canto, chapter 33, verse 36 or 38, something like that. It says, Ishvaranam vacha satyam acharyatam kvachit. Acharyatam kvachit. It said the words, Ishvaranam vacha satyam, the words of the powerful controllers, the great Mahajans, the great gurus, the teachers, or Shiva, or whatever, Krishna, they're always true. And what they teach in their teachings, in their books, they're always true. But kvachit acharyatam, kvachit acharyatam, and sometimes sometimes their behavior is also correct. So someone, when they see someone, like Krishna is speaking Bhagavad Gita, and he's speaking Uddhava Gita in 11th canto, and he's speaking so many teachings in different shastras. And they're correct, and they're satyam, and they're true, and we should Ishvaranam vacha satyam. The words, the speech, the teachings are true. We should follow. It's correct. It's good teachings. Anukaran, following. But Krishna's behavior, Krishna's acharitam, is okay in Dwarka and not so good in Mathura. Running around Mathura and cutting heads off and killing elephants, and these not so good thing. We shouldn't imitate that. So we don't imitate kill elephants and grab ladies off the street and go to their houses and stuff. And we don't. That's not a good thing. But we follow the Bhagavad Gita and we surrender to Guru, we surrender to Krishna. We always chant Krishna's name. So this is the same thing. Prabhupada, we follow his teachings, but we don't imitate that he takes a Brahmin thread and goes like that. We follow. Jai Radhe. Okay, chaliye.